What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2003 Honda VTX 1300. Guys, this bike's awesome. It does have higher miles on it. It's in really good shape though for the miles. One flaw back here, it does have a scratch back here, and stone chips there. The exhaust is in good shape. These bags are in pretty good shape. There's some little stuff, but let's get this beast open. There we go. Yeah, it's in good shape. Exhaust, it's pretty much all stock, guys. The chrome's all in pretty good shape. I just cleaned it up. It's pretty good. It's got pretty big boards on it. Tires, Metzler tires. Front looks good. It does have spoked rims. Front fender, let's see, scuff right there if you can see that. And then we got a slight scuff right there. Scuff right there. And then looks like some scuffs right there, but I might be able to actually buff that out. You can see it kind of just looks like some dirt. Buff that out. Tank's in really good shape. I'm actually pretty impressed with the shape of this bike considering it's a 2003 with like 50-some thousand miles on it. Bag, it's got a little chip rip right there, not a huge deal. Not like it really hurts anything. Battery tender. Seats in good shape, passenger seat, sissy bar, nothing's got, I'm not seeing any tears or anything. It's all in good shape. Let's check out this back tire real quick. Back tire's pretty good. It's got decent tread depth. I know it's kind of hard to see, but so we can get that camera to adjust. Come from this side. Boom. Tread depth's pretty darn good. Let's fire it up. There are little scuff right there from maybe like keys or something. 45,000 miles on this beast. Fires up right away though. Like I said guys, 45,000 miles, Honda VTX 1300. It's in good shape. It's going to be a pretty cheap bike, guys. This bike won't last long. Great two-up bike, great round town bike, but also you can crush the highway on this bike. I'm a huge fan of these VTX 1300s. It's just a great overall bike. It's going to be super cheap. 45,000 miles does not scare me at all. Check out the test drive video on this bike. You're going to want to see how it rides and how it fits. For any of those asking, the 1800 is a whole different animal. Probably not even comparable. They do both perform really well on the highway. When you ride this bike, if you've ridden an 1800, it's just not even going to have close to that oomph that the 1800 has. 1800 is more like a hot rod bike. So just getting that out of the way right there. Check out the test drive video on this bike. Check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.